Okay, welcome to the home. This is the back entrance. On your left is a grand big kitchen. You can see how big this is. Adjacent to the kitchen, there is a small room with air conditioner. There is a door that goes out to the front hall. This is the whole front hall area. We come into the first master bedroom. This is the front door actually, which can give access direct to this master bedroom. This is the bathroom, the first bathroom. This is the second master suite. There is a bath attached. This is the second room. The bathroom is outside. This is the room. We are going back to the stairs to view the first floor. Very good tiling, as you can see. Modeled on the same way as the ground floor. As you reach the first floor, there is a small balcony area. This is the kitchen. It's smaller than the kitchen in the ground floor though. And this is a master bedroom where you have a bath attached, and then the room. It gives access to a balcony view, a 360-degree balcony view. On my left, we have the hall area, which again gives access to a very big balcony. You can see it is a huge balcony. On my left, modeled on the same way as the first floor, we have a master suite here. That door gives access to a small balcony. The small balcony. As we move on, we can see the bathroom. There's a cupboard. As we move forward, again same model on the first floor. You have a bath attached room. common bath just like in the ground floor, and room with cupboards. We still have access to the second floor, that is the terrace. Inside we can use terrace for drying clothes or have some entertainment or fun or something like that. So this is the view as from the terrace.